Hello, beautiful people. I'm so happy today because today is February 10 and the Philippines is finally opening up its borders to foreign nationals. So, yay! I'm sure a lot of you are happy to know that the Philippines is finally opening up, but it's only for the fully vaccinated foreign nationals. So, if you're not fully vaccinated, you might have to start getting a vaccination if you want to go to visit our beautiful country. So, today I would like to talk about the requirements for foreign nationals to enter the Philippines. Okay, number one, you should be fully vaccinated, except for children 12 years old and below that will be traveling with their fully vaccinated parents. Everyone should be vaccinated. All right. And then you need accepted proof of vaccination. So your vaccination card, they need that. You also need to provide a negative RT-PCR test result that is taken 48 hours before departure from your country of origin. You are required to have a return ticket to your country of origin or to your next destination. Of course, you're required a passport valid for at least 6 months. Travel insurance with COVID-19 treatment of $35,000. This is equivalent to about or more or less 1.5 million pesos coverage. Okay, so it's $35,000 US dollars. I will talk in a little bit about travel insurance. Another requirement is the One Health Pass QR code. One Health Pass is a website that you can go to and fill out a form, and then once you're done, you will get a QR code. You can print it if you want, or you can download it on your phone. They will need to see that for you to be admitted to the Philippines. Okay, so now let's talk about travel/medical insurance. You're required to show coverage of $35,000 US dollars to enter the Philippines. I suggest you talk to your insurance provider and see if they would cover your medical abroad, and that should do it. Another thing that you can do is I have here a list of some insurance that covers travel and medical abroad. One of them would be, and I found out that Geo Blue, which is I don't know if it's a subsidiary of Blue Cross Blue Shield, but it's interesting to find that they have travel/medical insurance plans. Health and accident insurance for international trip. They have 3 categories. One would be Voyager, which is a single trip. If you're only going to go to the Philippines for 30 days, you can avail of a single trip insurance that would cover you while you're there, and it's called Voyager. Another one is Trekker, which covers multiple trips. If you're frequently traveling here and there, GeoBlue has a coverage for that. The third one is called Explorer. It's a long-term insurance coverage for travel. This is good for people who wants to stay long-term abroad, or people, the expats, you know. So that's one. And then here's the link, geobluetravelinsurance.com. Another one that I have several here, and I'm going to flash the link here. One is Nomad Insurance. It says medical $250,000. This is for the younger travelers, and then $100,000 for 65 years and above, and it says $250 deductible. They now covers COVID-19, so that's one thing you can check. Another one is Inshubai. Here's the link. COVID-19 travel, medical insurance for travel outside the US. Another one is santander.co.uk. And yes, they cover COVID-19 insurance. Another one is imglobal.com. It's travel insurance / international health insurance. Another is alliancetravelinsurance.com. Here's another one. It's insuremytrip.com, and this is their 800 number. Here's World Trips Atlas International and hthtravelinsurance.com. So those are just suggestions to get you started if you need to purchase travel and medical insurance for your travel to the Philippines. That's what I have for you today, and like I said, I am so excited that the Philippines is finally opening up its borders to foreigners. That would be a big help to our economy there, you know, and the airlines will be flying, the resorts will be in operation, and hotels would be filling, and it's opening our borders to tourists, and foreigners will have a domino effect on our economy, and it gives us joy and hope that this pandemic is finally tapering off, and then hopefully it's going to be gone, just gone. Anyway, this is Midlife Wanderings, guys. I thank you for watching. I will see you on my next vlog.